Welcome to lesson 6 of the step-by-step tutorial for building the demo mobile application. In this lesson we're going to add a search feature to the UX component so that users can search for particular customers in the customer table in the Northwind database. So let's quickly go to working preview to see where we are right now, and you can see here we have our list control, but there's currently no way of searching for a particular customer. So let's go back to design mode now and add a keyword search feature. So there are two different types of searches that you can do. A keyword search is a simple search where the user just types in a single value into a string, into a field, and then multiple columns in the table are searched. So for example, the user might type in the word Smith in a search field, and then behind the scenes we would search in the last name field, the city field, the address field, and any other fields that you specify for that particular value. So in this lesson we're going to be adding a keyword search feature. So let's go back to design mode now, and first, before we actually get into the lesson, let's go and give this list control a more meaningful name, because currently it says list 1, but really this is the customer list, and since our app is going to ultimately have more than one list in it, we'd like to be able to distinguish the lists with meaningful names. So select list 1 in the control list, and then scroll in the property sheet until you see the variable name. So the variable name is currently set to list 1, and let's go now and change this to customer list. So click on the smart field, and you can see now that a list of all of the existing control names is shown, and we want customer list. So I'm going to use capitals just by convention here. I think that's a good idea. So customer list now. So now we've changed the name of this list from list 1 to customer list, but we need to quickly go back and change the references to list 1 that we have in the server-side events that we define. So let's go back to server-side events here, and then click on execute server-side event in the after dialog validate event handler. So we're going to go and edit this event here. So click on edit action, and then you can see towards the bottom where it says refresh list controls, click on the smart field here and change the reference to customer list. Then click OK, and then next go to the on dialog initialize event, and again put your insertion point in the execute server side action line, then click action scripting, edit action, and again go here and change the reference from list 1 to customer list. So we've now successfully changed the ID of the list from list 1 to a more meaningful name, and let's go back now to working preview and just click on a row in the list to confirm that everything is still working correctly. So now go back to design mode, go back to controls in the list of available items in the toolbox on the left, and now let's go and add a field or a control to the UX component where the user will type in the search value and then add two buttons to perform the search and clear the search. So in the toolbox on the left, go to the other controls section. If it's currently closed, then open it by tapping on the icon, and then first select two buttons. So we're going to go here and add two buttons. Don't worry that they've been placed underneath the list, we'll move them, and then go back to data controls and add a text box. So open up the data control section, add a text box, and enter the name search as the name of this text box, then click OK, and now your UX component should show two buttons and the search field. So let's pause now and pick this up in the next video.